E a partir desse momento, bum 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 bum.
This is the videos where I got my clips from. I just screen record the parts I need. Go to CapCut, then add the video clip you will use. I just split the clip where Lisa is about to turn around. Then I delete clips I don't need. Then I adjust the clip to 4.1 seconds. Set the format to 9:16 and zoom the clip. Now on another video but same step, or have the clip that Lisa is going to turn around. Zoom the clip, then I split it when Lisa is about to turn around again. Then I delete clips I don't need, then I adjust the duration to 0.2 second, then I copy it 7 times. Go to our first clip, then split at the end same size like 0.2 second clip. Copy it, then drag it to the next clip like this. Then copy and drag until it places on the second to the last clip. Now change the duration of the 3 last clip to 0.4 second, 0.5 second, and 0.6 second. Now add the audio we're gonna use.
E a partir desse momento, tá caminho por bum 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 bum.
Click the original second clip, then add animation and shake 1 on every clip, but on the 3 last clip add rock vertically. Now add 6 Slowmo clip. Here's what I did to have the clips I will use. I use TimeCut app to have a smooth Slowmo. Click this and add the video you want to be slow. Here's the before or the original clip. Click check and just choose original format. Then next. Click this tool on the smooth effect. Then move this circle to 0.15x or lower. Click this to export and wait for it. Go back to CapCut, then add new project, add the Slowmo clip, then find the scene you want and adjust it to 1.0 second and export it. Go back, then click Undo to bring all the clip back. Then find another scene you want, repeat the process until you make 6 clips. Go back to our main project, then add the 6 clips, adjust their duration. Here's the list. Click the first clip, then add animation, combo zoom 1, then add wave and slide animation on the second clip. Now add transition blur on the second and third clip. Then add on the following next clips. Now add effects from Party Shake 1. Adjust its duration, then adjust the speed. Copy it, then put it on every clip. Now add flash effect, click overlay, then add plain white from stock videos. Adjust the duration to 0.3 second. Then add splice, overlay 65, then add animation out fade out. Copy it, then put it on every clip. We're done. Here's the results. Thank you for watching.
E a partir desse momento E a partir desse momento, bum 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 bum